it moves quickly. And so what goes into the air anywhere doesn't stay right there. Eventually, it ends up everywhere. Human beings are divided in so many ways, and yet we all live in and share the same air. So when it comes to the future of air, we're all in it together. And together, we can help clean it up for a stable and shared climate. This is why we built Tomorrow's Air. We're a global collective of travelers dedicated to spreading the word that something can be done, while helping to direct funding to those doing it. First, we created inspirational programs to bring carbon-conscious practices into mainstream travel culture. Second, we curated a selection of the most innovative and effective atmospheric carbon dioxide reduction and removal technologies for our members to invest in. Our 4 technology partners are scaling innovations that, 1, speed up the process through which rocks naturally absorb carbon dioxide from the air, 2, turns biomass into carbon dioxide storing charcoal that resists decomposition, 3, uses modular machines to pull carbon dioxide molecules from the skies and send it underground permanently. And 4, reduce emissions from travel by using sustainable aviation fuels made from waste materials to power airplanes. We've carefully chosen these technologies because they help reduce carbon dioxide emissions, offer permanent storage for carbon dioxide, and have a clear path to scale. They've also been closely vetted by scientific experts and are leading their respective categories when it comes to monitoring and verification. When you join Tomorrow's Air, your contribution reduces emissions, orders carbon dioxide for removal and permanent storage, and educates businesses and travelers about why it's important to reduce the emissions from our travels and clean our air of its excess carbon dioxide. We're doing this because we care. Come join us. The solution is in the air. Tomorrow's Air.